1987 V30 one-ton crew cab with lots of extras. Well, let's check it out. Oh, you gotta have long legs or a ladder. He fires right up. Not help if you don't have any gear. Purrs like a kitten, 100% mechanically restored. And let's check out the engine. Quiet, solid. Headers. Lots of good pictures in the photo gallery. All right, babe, in the timber. We'll check it out up top. Good solid bed. Good solid body. Let's do a quick walk around. Like I said, 100% mechanically restored. And let's take a look at the inside. Cool dash, lots of goodies, manual, good upholstery, Toyo tires, aftermarket wheels, and this is one tough puppy. And there she is. Solid as a rock. Check it out. Give Jared a call. And this beast will take you anywhere you want to go.